So in the right join, we have all the data rows from the data frame 2, including the intersecting rows. Usually the number of rows in the resultant data frame is the number of rows what we have in the right table. So here we have imported Pandas package SVD. We have imported the two CSV files. Now let's first look what the data in our two CSV files is. So that how it looks in the data frame 1. Now let's check in the data frame 2. And that's the data we have in the data frame 2. So now let's try to perform the right join. So let's take data frame 1 dot merge with data frame 2 on the ID column. You can have multiple columns as well if you want. How? And that's the right we have passed. So that's the resultant data after performing the right join.